Imagine trying to crack a safe that takes an entire day to open. That is exactly what slow key derivation functions do to your passwords. Passwords are easy for humans to remember, but terrible for computers to use directly as encryption keys. If we used a fast algorithm like SHA-256, hackers could test millions of guesses in seconds. To fix this, we use password derivation functions, or PVKDFs. These are cryptographic tools specifically engineered to be deliberately slow and time-consuming. The core mechanism is iteration. The function applies the same calculation repeatedly, thousands or even millions of times for every single password attempt. This adds massive computational cost, while legitimate users might wait a few seconds to learn. Log in. An attacker must perform these millions of steps for every word they try. This deliberate slowness frustrates brute force and dictionary attacks. It turns a quick hack into an expensive, years-long process that is often financially unviable. By combining salt and high iteration counts, these functions transform weak human passwords into strong cryptographic keys that protect your data effectively. Understanding the power of computational slowness is key to modern security. Have you ever wondered how long it would take to crack your own password? Let us know in the comments.